Good morning, day 39, Thursday. I was able to complete all 3 sets yesterday morning doing 15 reps each. But I had to rest for 10 minutes in between sets. Just like when I went from 5 reps to 10 reps, I had to rest and I had to put down the weights during the sets. The cycle starts all over again because I'm doing more reps. It takes time to build up the endurance and the strength to keep that up. The evening workout, I just did my normal 10 reps. But I was able to do all 3 sets with 15 reps each in the morning. So we're going to try that again this morning and see how that works out. I've been working on my thumb all morning so that I can grip the weight. It takes time in the morning to get this thumb to bend far enough to be able to grip the weight. So I figure eventually it'll heal, or I'll get used to doing this every day for the rest of my life. It doesn't matter either way. Something's got to give, though. Eventually, something's got to give. Oh, yeah. You might be wondering why I added reps in the middle of the week. That's because I don't have a general laid out plan. I do what I feel like my body is capable of doing when it's capable of doing it. I added more calories to my diet on Monday. I felt way better on Tuesday. And on Wednesday, I felt like, you know what? I have enough energy. Let's see what we can do. I don't have a master plan written down of, I'm going to do this many reps on this day, and then I'm going to add this many reps on this day, and then I'm going to do this sort of exercise on this day. I don't have that master plan. My master plan is to build strength. That's what my plan is. Build strength, get stronger, get in better shape, lose the fat. That's my master plan. So let's, shoulder. I don't know if you heard that. First set of the day. Let's see what we can do. I have to get that hand in the right position. That's difficult. It's that right hand. again, the cycle starts over. That just really works all the muscles. And although I do push myself, I can only push myself so far. The extra reps in the morning make it more difficult to do my evening workout, and I just have to keep going. Time for squats. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Man, my arms are spent. Oh. Two more sets to go this morning. Then I'll do my evenings when I get home. And then tomorrow. And then I can rest for the weekend. You don't have to have got to rest for 10 minutes. You don't have to have a master plan all laid out on paper. I'm going to do this many. I'm going to do these type of exercises. I'm going to increase to this on this day. Yes, push yourself. Increase your reps when you can. If it's familiar and you're used to it, increase your reps or increase your weight. Either way, you're going to continue building strength. And I don't care if you start off with 5-pound dumbbells and you do 5 curls and you put the weights down for a half an hour and then you pick them up and you do 5 more curls. And you do that throughout the day. That's more than you did before you started. And as time goes on, you will be doing 10 curls or shortening your rest periods. It doesn't matter how you start. Doesn't matter where you're at. Just start and work at your own pace. Do push yourself. If you do 5 curls with the 5-pound dumbbells and it's easy, do 10 instead. If that's easy, do 15. If 15 is easy, go to 10-pound dumbbells. Use those instead. Push yourself. That's why I didn't start off with the 20-pound dumbbells. They were too easy. 40 pounds on the other hand, now that I'm up to 15 reps, when that becomes familiar, when I can do all 3 sets with a shorter rest period, and I'm doing 15 of every exercise, and I can get through my sets without setting down the weights like I did when I was doing 10 reps. When I get to that point, I'll either increase to 20 reps or possibly increase the weight. That's a distant future plan. And when I say distant future, I mean that could be a week from now, 2 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks. I don't know. I just know that it's going to happen. I'm going to continue building strength. And eventually I will either need to increase my reps again or increase the weight, one of the two. But there's no set date for that. There's no goal for me to push to get to that. I will do what I can every day. I will push myself every day. And when it comes to that point, I will make the decision then whether to just increase the reps or increase the weight. Thursday, day 39. Hit the like button, click the subscribe button, share the videos. Thank you everyone who has subscribed so far. I love the comments. I love the fact that you're enjoying this series, watching me burn fat and get in shape at 59 years old in real time. Thank you so much. I will see you on Friday.